Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am back. I gave myself a little spring break from YouTube, but I am here today to share with you at the Gordon Food Service dumpster yet again. I have found a few things from Aldi last week as well that I would like to share with you at the end of this video with the haul that I find in here today. We're gonna try to go quick and the best that we can. There were two cops sitting right by this dumpster the other day, which makes me nervous. I don't know why they're like guarding the trash. One was looking out at the road, so that's probably what he was doing, but the other was pointed towards the dumpster, so I don't know. I'm always on guard here anyways, but we're gonna head in, hopefully find some good stuff that I can share with you. And I'm excited to be back, and I'm excited for all of you to be here with me, so let's go see. Ooh. 36 statistics. Wow, that's a good find. I'm definitely gonna take that. Spinach doesn't look the greatest, but it doesn't look bad. I will take that. Are there more in here? What the heck? I don't know. Do these need to be frozen or anything? I'm gonna take these and I'll investigate later, but we got a whole bunch of pretzels. All right, give me a second. Let me get these pretzels out of here. All right, I got the pretzels out and I got my grabber now. Let's see if this salsa is good. Looks like it. And some berries. Not looking great, but I will take them. And a lime. Alright, I'm gonna need to dig around a little bit more. But we definitely have a few good things. It looks like there might be another salsa in there. And a whole ton of potatoes. I don't think I'm gonna take any of these. I already have potatoes at home. And I don't really want any popcorn, but I'll definitely grab those. So, not too bad. All right, back home. It is the next day. And here's my little haul along with a few things that I found from Aldi this past week. This girl is very hungry. That's why she's hanging around, but I'll feed her after this. So let's start with the things. I think I got everything from my car that I found at Gordon's. I actually have 4 of these pretzel packs. I only have 2 of them in the video here because they're kind of big and I just didn't want to bring them over. But there's 36 soft pretzels in each pack, as well as a big old thing of salt, which I don't really love. So, see, they're just like bagged up. I originally thought that it would have like this whole little piece, which it doesn't, but still fun. There's nothing on the box anywhere about refrigerating it or freezing it, anything along those lines. And the date isn't until December. So although I do not need, how many is that? 144 pretzels in my life. I think by December, I think that's manageable, right? I tried one. I didn't even heat it up. I just took it out and ate it, and it's very tasty. It tastes like a pretzel. You can either bake them or microwave them. They're fully baked already. I don't know. I thought that was a pretty good find and a fun find. You also saw me find these King's Hawaiian rolls, which also are delicious. I am trying to eat a little bit healthier. However, these breads Can't go wrong there. Also from Gordon's, I got the Jack Special salsa. I love salsa. I'm glad to have found that. I also found a lime. And, oh, I have the raspberries. Is there anything else in the fridge? Let me check. Be right back. All right, so I got the raspberries. They are looking a little bit dark, so I'll go ahead and wash these up and eat them probably right now. And then I also found some honeydew melon cut up, which looks very refreshing and nice. So I'm excited about that. And then the only other thing from Gordon's today or yesterday was this giant bag of spinach, which again is not in its best state, but there's a lot you can do with spinach. Freeze it, dehydrate it, all sorts of things. So that'll definitely be used. And I think that's it from Gordon's that you guys saw me find. From Aldi, I got another pack of these tostadas, a little bit crushed, but no worries there. I have 2 bunches of bananas. These ones are going to go and be frozen. These ones I will enjoy. They are still very firm. And then I just have 3 heads of cauliflower, which I washed, but there are still some dark parts on it. I'm going to go ahead and cut those off, and I'm going to pickle these. I love pickled vegetables of all kinds, so I'm going to pickle those, and those onions are not new. I'm just letting them sprout. So that's it for the haul itself. The star of the show really is those pretzels right there. But again, not too crazy, but some good finds. Obviously, I won't be taking meat anymore. It's been beautiful outside. The temperature, well, I mean, the nighttime temperature is cold still, but not meat worthy for me anymore. I'm stocked up pretty well though. And then I have started some seeds. These I just put in here last night. These are loofah seeds. And these are the rotisserie chicken containers that I actually got from Gordon's quite a while ago as well, using them as little greenhouses there. This is just cat grass that I will give to the cats in a moment once it's grown. Speaking of the cats, but here is what I have mainly going on, and nothing has sprouted yet. They've been in here for, I don't know, a few days, so I feel as though something isn't working, unfortunately, but I'll keep trying. I'll keep watering them and hope that they sprout. I just have them in egg cartons that I got from Aldi along the months leading up to spring, and then I wrote on the back what they are and where I got the seeds in hopes to find what works best. But as of now, nothing is working best. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed, though, because I do have plans. I have dreams of a lush garden. But for now, this is all we got. Let me show you a few things outside as well. All right, we're outside now, and it is just so beautiful now that it's April. The weather is gorgeous, at least the temperature. But here's my lake from my lakefront property. We had some extreme rains here in the Midwest recently, and I know that some other states actually had some pretty severe tornadoes, so definitely thoughts going out to them. I hope that all of you guys are safe and okay from that, but we're also going to have some more heavy rains tomorrow and the next day, and then one more day this week, I think. So my lake will just continue to increase, but I thought we were going to be able to avoid the flooding this year, but it's worse than ever. So here's my lake. It's pretty big. I just thought I'd show you a few updates now that it's gorgeous outside. I'm coming at this the wrong way because this is all wet too, but if you can see back there, see those little green things? It's blurry. Well, that's my garlic. There you go. So that's some of my garlic. It seems to be doing pretty well. It'll be still quite a while until I can harvest that. I'm excited to get some gardening going. I had quite a few branches down that I'm working on and some flooding over here as well. And we got a baby up in the window. Can you see that? Kippy's up there watching us. But the other update out here is the chicken coop. My dad helped me get the cage put up. I have to secure it more, as well as put hardware cloth along the bottom and some other barriers so that it is predator proof. But it's coming along nicely. I have it up away from the ground. I'm spray painting some more things over here. Just a little bit more to go. The chicken should be here in about a month. So I'm excited. To get that started. And then the last thing I think that I want to show you out here are tulips. Can you see those little, all these little shoots are tulips. Obviously they haven't flowered yet. Oh, you know what? We got a nail in that one. Okay, well, good thing I found it. But I have all sorts of little tulips. Definitely a lot got eaten, but it looks like quite a few made it through the winter, and I'm hoping that they can bloom. So that's just a little outdoor update. I haven't gotten my garden started out here yet, but as you saw, I have some started inside. And that's it. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And what? Really quick. I guess this is also a dumpster find. This is like a really big, heavy-duty bird feeder. And I found this residentially in somebody's trash. So I just wanted to share that with you as well. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving, cat, food, home, and soon chicken-related videos. Thank you, guys.